Hello guys, today we will know about admixture. What is admixture? Anything added in concrete other than water, cement, sand and coarse aggregate in order to modify the property of the concrete is termed as admixture. Means anything which is added in concrete to change the property of concrete is called admixture. Types of admixture. Admixture are classified into 5 categories: plasticizer, superplasticizer, retarder, accelerator, air entraining admixture. Plasticizer. These are organic substance or mixture of organic and inorganic substance that allow the reduction of water in the preparation of concrete having same workability or increase the workability of the concrete at same water cement ratio. In the former case, it results in high strength concrete, and in the latter case, it results in high workable concrete. Plasticizers are deflocculating agent, means it break the cement particle which entrapped water. Normal dose of plasticizer varies between 0.1 to 0.4% that allow the reduction in water content by 10 to 15%. Example of plasticizer: lignosulfate, polyglycol esters, hydroxylated carboxylic acid are used as plasticizer. Superplasticizer. These are the modified version of plasticizer that allow the reduction of water cement up to 30%, unlike plasticizer which allow the reduction up to 15% only. Modified lignosulfate, sulfonated melamine, formaldehyde, naphthalene, formaldehyde are used as superplasticizer. Retarder. These are the admixtures that are used to slow down the chemical process of hydration and to make the concrete plastic and workable for longer duration in comparison to the concrete without retarders. The retarders help in overcoming the accelerating effect of the temperature over the setting of the concrete in hot weather conditions. Its normal dose varies between 0.05 to 0.1%. Calcium sulfate, sugar, starch, cellulose act as retarders. Accelerator. These are the types of admixture which are used to increase the rate of gain of strength in the concrete. These are generally used in cold weather concreting, prefabricated concrete construction, emergency road work, and where formwork is to be reused for speedy construction. Example: calcium chloride CaCl2 up to 2%, sodium chloride, silicates, fluorosilicate, triethanol, amine up to 0.06%. Note: CaCl2 when added up to 2% by weight of cement act as accelerator, but on increasing it act as retarder.